Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. So let's take a look at today. Beautiful sunshine, and I am happy. Just want to do an outfit of the day to lighten up my spirit. So this is the dress. I am in the shade. Titi, come here. I am a little bit in the shade. You cannot see very well. So without the belt, there is pocket. I love dress with pocket. Okay. I'm a little bit too much in the shade, right? Okay, let's see this way. At least you can see a little bit. And it's very comfortable. You can almost keep. Of course, you do not need to keep that much. And I think this pair of pants, shoes. This is also linen. It looks a little bit better fit for it. And I feel this is good with a belt. See? And I make it a little bit funny this way. Like this. You cannot see. I'm sorry. There's my backyard has so much shade. Yes. And also, you can be a little bit more serious with a pen and leather belt. The leather belt, and leather belt with a black shoes will be better. Leather belt, a little bit more serious shoes. Okay, let me change direction. Maybe you can see a little bit better. Sunshine under the shade. That's it. Okay. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Go. Bye. Bye. Okay, I think I need to do this way. So this is the leather belt. Under the sunshine. Hello dear friends, good afternoon, such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. Let's take a look at this one. The color, you can lift it up or you can put it down. Little bit too many. Okay. Hello dear friends, good morning, such a beautiful, beautiful morning. So this one, let's take a look at this one, outfit of the day, and the color. You can open up 2 buttons, and I am not comfortable open up 2 buttons, so I will just open up 1 button. If someone who does not care, they can open up 2 buttons. Anyway, so the collar, you can lift it up or put it down. It looks very much like a top shirt, right? One friend said it looks like a shirt. And when you stand up, it's actually a dress. Here is the dress. And it's very, very comfortable. You can wear this very relaxed style or put a belt on it. Does not have to be tight, this belt. It holds up the whole dress together. What do you think? Let me see if I put this one. Let's try to put this one, if it works well. Also, Kitty. How do you think of this one? And there is pocket. Love dress with pockets. That's it. Bye bye friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Okay. I will blur the background a little bit. I love you. I really do. Do. Goodbye. Yeah. Bye.